you are going to Jamaica, right? If you decide to, all right, you go on vacation, you want to go to Jamaica for the first time, or maybe you come from Jamaica, you just visit home. Let me tell you something. Rule number one, if you're a lady, nobody do your ear. No. Nobody boy you sew down and put on no lace front and none of them something there. No, we're not going to do that. You know why? Because if you don't do some water activities and them little thing there, it's gonna hinder you from having fun. You're gonna say, oh, I don't want my ear wet up. Oh, me just do my ear cost this, and me just like, oh my God. You're not gonna enjoy yourself 100%. You're not gonna like go all out and just, you know, make the water drown you and them. You're like, oh my God, I don't really swim. I'm not going to do all of the excuses. And them something that you can do braids. Yes, you can. But you see one thing with braid, you know, nice when sun get in a braid because it look like dandruff. A lie? No. But what I'm saying is, do it when you come back. Because you see when you're there at Jamaica or something, you go all out. You know, go in there as a yardie, like you live there and thing. So you enjoy yourself to the T. So when you come back home now, or wherever, then you can do the things them. Nobody don't want to spend 1 hour, hour and a half to wash out some out of them head. Time is precious on the island because we move so fast. In a year, man, probably take a look at or whatever. You know how hard it is to get some out of your ear? It's hard. It's very hard. What's in the roots and the crevices? It's difficult. So nobody don't want to do all of that, the extra thing or waste time. No, you have to enjoy yourself, live life, freedom, you know, while out, whatever it is you want to do. I'm just saying, make we go look for fritters, yeah. Sometimes you gotta pop off it.